Okay, first graders, here's our final opinion paragraph for the week. Okay, and this one, I want you to think about what makes spring such a wonderful time. Okay, have you ever noticed that in the springtime is when you see the most people outside, playing in their yards, going for bike rides, going for hikes, okay, just playing outside. You see so much of it during the springtime. So I want you to think what the best part about spring is. Is it that everything's coming alive again, that trees are getting leaves again, that you see blossoms blooming everywhere, that you see a lot of butterflies and birds in the skies. Okay, what is it that you think is the best part about spring? Okay, so we've started our paragraph here. In my opinion, I think the best part about spring is blank. What is it you think is the best part about spring? Okay, and have your period in there. How do we start sharing our reasons? Okay, we start with how we feel. I feel this way because what? I feel this way because why? Give me a reason why you feel this is the best part about spring. Okay, and remember to put that period when you are done sharing your thought. Okay, after we share one reason we feel that way, we're going to share another reason we think this way. Okay, I also think this because blank. Okay, and if you need to go on to another line, you can do that. Use as much space as you need. You have the whole back as well. Okay, so don't feel like you need to squish anything. You want to use your best handwriting all the way through. I also think this because blank. Okay, how do we share our conclusion? Okay, we want to reinforce the idea that we are given reasons. And so we're going to say, that is why. That is why. And then we repeat our opinion. I think the best part about spring is blank. That is why I think the best part about spring is blank. Okay, so what's your reason? Are you talking about all the plants growing? Are you talking about the creatures we see, all the birds and the butterflies and everything else? Are you talking about how it's getting warmer and it's so fun to be outside? What is your reason and why are you thinking that? Can't wait to read about what you think about springtime and the best part of it.